Okay guys, so today we're going to be doing an individual faux lock tutorial on Ari. We're going to be using Bobby Ross's Soul Faux Locs, and we're going to be using Bobby Ross's Bae Locs. We got these for $7.99 from our local beauty supply store, and we got these for $2.99 on sale, but if they're not on sale, they're $7.99 as well. So we're going to get started. So I gave Ari square parts, and we're just going to put the faux lock itself on one of the 3 sections of the braid, and we're going to braid it in. Now we're just going to unravel the faux lock and wrap it back around her braid over and over and over until we're finished. This wrapping method is really similar to putting flexi rods in your hair. It's the same exact wrapping. So for a different look, I'm going to unravel this whole dread. This is the Bae lock. It's a little bit thicker. So I'm going to unravel it like you guys see right here, and I'm going to split it in 2. And I'm going to wrap one strand around the braid and the other strand of the Bae lock. If you choose to do this method, your dreads are going to be way tighter and they're going to be stiffer than if you do the braid and wrap method. And if you run out of here, you can always just take from the other side and continue wrapping. As you see me doing right here, I'm going to wrap it all the way to the end, and then I'm going to tie it in a knot to end the dread. This is synthetic hair, so it is going to tangle, and if it does that, don't be scared to just cut it off. So right here, I'm showing you guys how I tie it. It's literally a knot, and then you're going to pull it all the way so it's tight, and we're going to come back and curl that section. So for this braid, I'm putting in a Bae lock that already has all the yarn on it, and then a regular lock as well. So we're going to put them on 2 separate strands and braid it in just like we did with the first method. Once both of the locks were braided in, I did the wrap method again. So I unraveled it and I'm wrapping it back, and I'm leaving the Bae lock with the yarn alone. I'm also not wrapping so close to her scalp because she wanted it to be loose, and so that she can have more flexibility with styling it as soon as she got this hairstyle installed. So right here you guys can see the difference in the Bae lock and then us wrapping it. And then this right here is the finished product with her ends curled. I use perm rods and some hot water.